Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox and do our initial review of this Haylou RS5. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel, and yes guys, we have here another product from Haylou. This is their Haylou RS5. So this is the box guys of the Haylou. So at the back you can see there the specifications. So we have 2.01-inch AMOLED display, 150 workout modes, Bluetooth call, voice assistant, 9-day battery life and health monitoring, such as heart rate, SpO2, and sleep monitoring. So guys, let's open this one. So we have here the watch itself. Okay, what we have here guys is the white version. Okay, and inside we have here another strap. Okay, and also the wireless charging cable is here, and of course the manual. Okay, so if you have any questions guys, just refer to your manual directly. Look at the watch. So let's take this one out here, right, and let's turn it on. It says Haylou, and so done guys, this is our watch. On the left we have here the speaker grill, and on the right so we have here the crown. Okay, and at the back so we have here the sensors and the charging pins. So when you touch it guys, it looks really premium. It's not so light, so it gives you that premium feeling of a smartwatch. Alright, so when we are going to change the watch face, you just have to manipulate the crown. So let's look at the features. So we have here call, daily activities, okay, and then we also have their heart rate. So as you can see there, when you are going to wear the watch, then the sensors will light up. Alright, and then we also have here stress, or your stress level. Wow, that's nice. Okay, so when we are going to look at the workout, so it has lots guys. So as you can see, plenty of sports that you can choose. You have sports record, blood oxygen, so this is also great. Sleep, music control, weather, alarm clock, respiratory rate, that's also nice. And we also have here the mood, okay, breathing exercise, information. So this is like the your notifications. We have also voice assistants, but you have to connect this one to your phone. We also have here female health toolbox, okay, which has stopwatch, timer, flashlight, find phone, remote control, and calculator. And settings, we have watch faces, brightness, sound vibration, password, raise to wake, do not disturb, and the QR code. So in the QR code guys, so you need to use that one if you are going to connect this one to your smartphone. So the name of the app is actually Haylou Fun. Alright, so for the review guys, I've actually used this watch for a couple of days, and all I can say guys is that the battery is really long lasting. I got this watch when I opened this initially. It has around like 80% of battery, but I've used this one for 2 days, and look at the battery guys, it is still at 69%. Can you imagine with a watch with an AMOLED display, you can get that battery capacity? That's really amazing. And one thing that I also like about this watch is that it has a large screen. Yes, so I think this is like, I really like the design, and it has this curved feeling here on the sides, and when I wear it, it looks and feels really premium. So it's not too light and it's not that too heavy. So I can say guys that this watch is really doing its job, and knowing a product smartwatch from Haylou, we can really say that this is one of the trusted smartwatch in the market with an affordable or at an affordable price. All right, guys. So all I can say, this watch is, I'm gonna give this rate this one with a 9/10. Yes. And let me know, guys, if you want me to test this smartwatch with your swimming. So just comment down on the uh, comment section, and then let me know about your thoughts about this watch. And if you're interested, guys, I actually put the link in the description box for you to check this watch out. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye!